Hi my virgins, welcome back to my channel. So this is Nonnie Irada, your mother virgin. Welcome back to my channel. Woo! So for today's video po, is all about challenge na naman siya, no? And then, it's all about make me choose between the two. Nag-post ako sa FB at maraming nagko-comments, more than 20. At ayan, I'm so excited din because there are so many mahirap na questions. And I'm so scared to answer. Baka maka-answer ako na hindi dapat i-answer ko. So ayan, without further ado, let's get started. I'm gonna eat manga pala. So here, look at. So go. Yakain muna ako, wait for a minute. Go, let's get started.
First, Seokjin Kim.
From Seokjin Kim, go.
First, from Seokjin Kim, me or him?
So now, mag-speak muna ako ng English kasi ang nag-question niyan is nag-speak ng English at hindi siya masyadong nakakaintindi ng Tagalog. So, hi Seokjin Kim, so ang pipiliin ko is pareha lang naman kayo, you are Mayung, I will choose you. I will choose you.
Next, from Leo David Onjano, haha or hehe?
Haha, alright.
Ah!
Hindi, hugasan ka pag hugasan ka. So ako muna ang mamabasa, no? Kasi hindusan na ang aking kapitid na maghugas ng mga plato kasi maraming hugasan doon. So ayan. Next is from Leo David Onjano. Haha or hihi? I will choose haha kasi kung hihi kasi is you, yes, nag-ask ka ng favor. And then like this. Sis, pwede ka bang isali ko sa vlog? Hihi. Kaya sa ha, you're so comfortable with it. Yes, like you are expressing your, yes, emotion. Next mo Samantha May Ronald Okaya. Passion or education? I would choose my passion. Passion yung pipiliin ko. Next, from, hindi ko siya, yung pangalan niya is iba. Next, BTS or Cardi B? I like them all. Gusto ko nilang lahat. But I will choose Cardi BTS. Idol ko na po si Cardi B, then bago yung BTS, so I will choose Cardi B. But I like boys, I like them so much. They show me love. They show me different reasons to love myself. So ayan, BTS? Yes. But I love Cardi B.
Next, from G. Hernandez, twerk or rampa?
Twerk! Look at Pums in a bum. Next.
Next, from Ezekiel Jones, kiss or hug?
Kiss? Yes, kiss.
Next, from Assumption Situita, faithful or loyal?
Wala pa akong na-experience sa ganyan, so ang pipiliin ko na lang, palagi ko nababasa sa Facebook, is loyal.
Next, from Leo David Onjano, Dax pero chaka or guwapo pero jutes?
Guwapo pero juice.
Be, may nalapsik, be.
Yes. I'm not totally fan nga kung malaki. No, hindi. Gusto ko yung makita sa mga tao, ay, jackpot siya, no? Ay, nakaka-jackpot siya kasi gwapo yung napili, ay gwapo yung na-jowa niya. So, ayan. Gwapo, pero juice.
Next, from Stephanie Soriaco Fuentes. Boyfriend or husband?
I like boyfriends, yes. Ang next na naman na pangalan is hindi namin mababasa, so ayan. Direction na.
McDonald's or Jollibee?
Jollibee. Yes. Kasi hindi pa ako nakakain ng McDonald's. Pagkatapos ito, kakain ako sa McDonald's, don't worry.
Next, from Chanel Katcha. Maitim or maputla?
Maputla. Yes. Pwede magamitan ng lip tint yung maputla. Yung maitim hindi na talaga.
Next, from Chelsea Yen. Love or money?
Money is everything for me.
Next, from RJ Lozano Katipay. Math or science?
Oh my God. I don't like math. Hindi ko gusto yung math. Nakakabuang yun para sa akin. Like, siya yung rason bakit ako nahagbong. Siya yung rason bakit may red yung card ko. So, I'll go to science na lang kasi ma-handle ko yung science.
From Rira Grace Bernardo Abiro. Malaki or maliit?
Maliit. Maliit. Sa una, maliit yung pipiliin mo kasi mag-stretch pa yan kasi. And then, go to Dax.
From Rona Ninya Oyapok. Family or friends?
For now, go to friends. Friends po ako. Yes.
Next, from Arnel Angana. Corona or Nota?
Corona? Yes, it's hard to get Corona. Ang hirap mong kunin yung Corona kapag yung mga kalaban mo is so intelligent. So wait a minute. So if you like this video po, and nag-enjoy ka sa video, please take time to subscribe. Hit the notification bell para update ka sa mga video ko.
Next, from Janine Marie Luna. Notch pero akach or guapo pero jutes?
Guwapo pero juice. Hindi yan makikita sa mga tao. Yes, yung makikita sa mga tao is yung face. Magsiselos sila sa akin.
Next, from Jessica and Luzada. Love life or friends?
Friends. But I'm longing for a boyfriend. But I will choose friends, Joe. Yes.
From Sean Rafael. Cell phone or clothes?
Clothes.
John Fred Polgarinas. Instagram or Twitter?
Twitter. Gusto ko ng followers. Yes. Kapag naboboard ako, pupunta talaga ako sa Twitter. I'm magpa-fan mark.
Uche Julia. Julia. Sexy or horny?
Let's say,
From John Anthony Carolasan Gumagay. Day or night?
night.
From Regina Montesilio. Friends or boyfriends?
Friends.
Lovely Lungan. Top or bottom?
Bottom. From Ate Lovely. Nag-question siya sa akin, or Jungkook or Jimin. Ang pipiliin ko si Jimin. He's my bias. And then, Jungkook is my bias record. So it's hard for me to choose, but I will choose Jimin lang kahit ang hirap na.
From Raniel Monsila II. Beautiful or attractive?
Attractive.
From Maika Marie Froyolo Masibay. Education or love?
Love.
Next, from Gisabel Sanchez. Friends here in Oslo or friends there in city?
Friends in Oslo, then nagsiselos sila because of my moments doon sa syudad niya with my friends. So sorry for making you jealous. Sorry. It's not my intention. Hindi ko yun. Yes, but pipiliin ko yung friends ko dito sa Oslo. nandyan sila kapag may problema ako, then palagi nila akong nililibre. Go.
Last but not the least, Daisy Angelica San Luis. BTS or money?
Money. And I will invest it to see BTS. Yes. From Jude Soriano, gays or boys? I would choose gays. Yes. I would choose them gay. Yes, I would choose the gays. I would choose yung mga bakla. Yes. But I like boys. I like gays. So, mas napapatigbabaw yung gays. So, ayan lang po yung video natin ngayon, and I hope you like it po. And please share it to your friends. Comment down below kung ano yung gusto nyo makita ko for my next vlog. And then, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you all. Bye! Bye, virgins.